This will be a video chart on ticker symbol REVO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Don't think I've ever done this one before, but a very nice looking chart here, and I've had some questions and so forth come in on it, so I want to get things updated from the technical perspective. So we'll just go over some supports, resistances, and then hopefully everybody's got an idea of what's going on from the charting angle. So the thing that really sticks out to me, and although it's not new in terms of events in the chart, this pink line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, you can see was acting as a big thorn in the side of the chart. However, when it was finally able to break above and then close above and maintain that for a day or two, you can see what's happened since then. The trampoline effect has now unfolded, which is obviously a good thing to see. So I wanted to bring that up for two reasons. First, just being a good example of how when key levels of resistance are broken, the price can really get moving. And the second reason, it is now a very important level of support. Just basic technical analysis, when resistances are broken, they become supports. So the 200-day simple moving average is now a very important level of support, and that is valued at 003. So that's going to be one of the areas of support. Another area of support, and I'll call this more of an ideal level, meaning if you were to ask me what would be the ideal support level that you'd like to see hold in order to make the chart look the strongest, it would be this level right here at 0037. But if the price does go below there, no need to panic or freak out or anything, because you still do have the 200-day simple moving average down here. But then the one moving average that has to hold, no excuses. If it does not, then that's a major red flag. Is going to be this purple line down here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. So I'm not saying the price will go down there, but if it does, this is kind of the no excuse level of support. If this is a genuinely strong move here that's starting to unfold, then this level should have no problem holding if the price goes down there. In terms of resistance levels, this is about as straightforward as it gets. You have these two highs from today and then yesterday, and that's up there at 0053. So change that to red to just represent resistance. But then look at this. If those are broken, got to scrunch up the chart here and scrunch it up some more. There we go. Then you'll see the next levels of resistance are not until way up here at this high, which is 0065, and you can see multiple times this level has knocked down the price. But from here all the way up to there, that's some great potential, especially when you're looking at a sub penny where the percentages add up very quickly. And then after this level of resistance, nothing until way up here in the sevens. But obviously one step at a time. First, got to get through this resistance. But point being, there is some very nice potential in the chart, so it'll be interesting to see how things unfold. If you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself as a trader and into your education, and check that out. One more time, this was REVO. Thanks for listening.